Do you love chocolate cake? Well, you've got to check out this really cool Pull Me Up chocolate cake decoration hack by Nyam Nyam. All you need is your basic chocolate cake. You can buy it from the store or pre-make it. Just slice it in half and fill it with buttercream icing. We're using chocolate buttercream icing, of course. Then we cover the top in buttercream icing. And even all the way around the side. Why not? Let's go all in. Of course, it doesn't have to be chocolate. It can be to your liking. Once that's smoothed over, we chill it. And now comes the fun part. Let's make the chocolate ganache using dark chocolate melted in hot whipped cream. Ooh, delicious. It's very easy to make chocolate ganache and it's going to look so cool. After we've put our plastic sheet around our set cake, we can pour on the chocolate ganache. And that plastic sheet just keeps it all in place for now, so we can add our sprinkles or whatever decoration you really want to add. We're adding some gold powder too. Gently lift off the plastic sheet and let it drip down the sides. Oh my goodness, that looks chocolicious! Can you believe how super easy it is to make a very professional looking cake? You could even try this with mini chocolate cakes or cupcakes. That would be cool too, but just look at this. Almost too good to eat. Go on, I know you want to. Fancy something lovely and chocolatey? Do you like strawberries? Do you like cake? Want to get creative? Come on then, let's do it. Melt some dark chocolate. Say abracadabra. Just kidding, melt it in the microwave. And dip in your strawberries. Get some vanilla cake sliced up and layer it with buttercream icing. And then on top of that goes a layer of chocolate cake. Yes, that's right, there is your two-tone. Covered in chocolate buttercream icing this time and a layer of vanilla cake once again. Now time to coat in buttercream icing. Starting with vanilla, then chocolate, then vanilla. Or the other way around, really, it's up to you. Smooth it over. Ready to drizzle on your chocolate ganache. Drizzled on with a food piping bag on one half of the cake. Then turn your cake around. And guess what? We're going to use white chocolate ganache for the other half. Two-tone all the way with this one. We hope you like it sweet and chocolatey. And then just decorate with your chocolate-dipped strawberries. Sticking them onto the not quite set chocolate ganache all around the edge. And now let's decorate the top with some buttercream icing, chocolate and vanilla. And add some more strawberries. And there you have it. It really does look like it just stepped out of a magazine page, doesn't it? Slice it up and your strawberry dip two-tone cake is ready to serve. And it looks absolutely scrumptious. Nyam Nyam are going to show you a really cool example of how to turn a basic cupcake into a cool professional looking cupcake. Just get a chocolate cupcake and put some buttercream icing on the top. You can use a food piping bag to easily put it on, and then we pour over it some chocolate ganache. Let that drip down the sides. And stick in your crispy waffle or wafer. Now we can decorate with some fruit. We're using maraschino cherries. We just love the vibrant red colour against the dark brown of the chocolate ganache and the pale yellow of the vanilla buttercream icing. Doesn't that look fantastic? And there you have it. The super simple chocolate cupcake, easily pre-made or bought from the store, turned into an absolutely professional looking work of art. Go on. I know you want some. thinking about what to make for your honey bunny? How about a honey cupcake? Brilliant! All you need is some melted white chocolate and then add in a few drops of food colouring. Mix it all up, and what we're going to do is spread this out over some bubble wrap. Yes, you heard right. Bubble wrap has other uses, you know, other than therapeutic ones. We're going to spread it out and then let it chill and set in the fridge. The great thing is, once this has set, you're going to get this gorgeous kind of honeycomb effect. Turn it over, gently and carefully peel off the bubble wrap, and then we're going to just start chopping it up into our long triangles, or any shape you desire, really. We're going to decorate our cupcake with these. Get your basic cupcake first, and then pipe some buttercream icing on top. Stick in your honeycomb white chocolate decoration. And a few fondant flowers. And why not a honeybee? Fondant icing is great for making these cute little animals and decorations. And a little drizzle of honey for a finishing touch. And there you have it. It is so cute. I think this would be absolutely delightful. I could even go so far as to say it is beautiful. Look at this absolutely lollipop-tastic cupcake design! Oh, I can't wait to make it! Starting with a chocolate cupcake and some plain vanilla buttercream icing on top. Now we add our chocolate ganache, pink coloured. Let it drip down the sides. Ooh, nice and gooey. Next we're going to add some dark chocolate ganache over the pink. Wow, look at that! Can't wait to decorate! Adding in some chocolate decorations. It's just white chocolate that has been melted. Pink food colouring has been added to it, and it's been set and then cut up into desired shapes. We're adding on some fruit candies and some pearl sprinkles. And of course, let's not forget the lollipop. A nice round swirly one. It looks like something out of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, don't you think? Pretty in pink. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly lollipop. In this fantastic decoration hack video, Nyam Nyam will show you how to make cute mini cone cupcake designs. First of all, you get your cupcake. We're using a vanilla one, but really it's up to you which one you use. And a dollop of pink buttercream icing. Looks like a scoop of ice cream. We're adding green chocolate ganache over the top of that. Or you can simply melt some white chocolate and add green food colouring. The more you add, the darker the green. We're adding some sprinkles. Ones that look like pearls and ones that look like stars around the edge of our cupcake. A little dollop of plain buttercream icing on the top so we can stick on a cherry. That good old maraschino cherry. Now we've got a mini cone filled with chocolate, and we're putting a little squirt of crumpled buttercream icing on the top. It looks like ice cream. And a little heart. Stick that on the side and Bob's your uncle. And there you have it, a gorgeous, cute mini cone cupcake. Very bright and vibrant too. And I do love that mini cone with the chocolate inside, easily found on the bottom of a cornetto ice cream. Ooh, my favourite. Why not inject a little bit of colour into your life with this fantastic rainbow cake? Ooh, look at that. Very easy to make. You just need a little bit of patience and lots of food colouring. Starting with our basic vanilla cake and then layering it up with buttercream icing. You'll have to get several cakes here and colour each one with different food colouring. Slice them up and you could layer them as you like with whatever colours you like, with buttercream icing in between each layer. We're using plain white buttercream icing because it looks great between the bright coloured layers. Piping it on with ease. Use your favourite colours, alternate 2 colours if you like. We're going for a different colour for each layer because it looks amazing. A little bit more effort required, but it really does look good. So we're now piping on more buttercream icing to cover the entire outside of the cake, smoothing it over. You can use a spinning plate if you want to make it easier to do that. Also smoothing out the top area. Ready to decorate. use a round cookie cutter to make an indent of a circle. And then, using food piping bags, we're going to just pipe on buttercream icing of varying colours over half of that circle to make a rainbow. Using that indent made with a cookie cutter just helps you to keep a nice, neat semicircle shape, but you don't have to use it. It also helps you to mark out where you want to put your rainbows. And what do we find at the end of our rainbows? Marshmallows, of course! And if you don't want marshmallows, you could use other things. You could use jelly beans, Smarties, take your pick. And then for finishing touches, some buttercream icing on top. Rainbow buttercream icing splodged on top with a pile of marshmallows in the middle. Slice it up and there you have it. An absolutely perfect rainbow cake. Delicious.